Good evening, everyone. This is Kevin. Here's our count we've been following. Um, I said we were done. This is a 120-minute chart, and I said after the big C wave is concluded that we will be looking up for a final push up on that fifth wave. And I do have a current count. Yesterday, I was looking for a bottoming over that C around 3,274. Didn't get to 3,274. Pivoted at 3,279. And then went up as projected. And here we are. I already have a new count going on. I got one up, two down, a small twos in here. I got a three and I got a four, and we're making our way up five to that 3,310 area. Uh, why do I have 3,310? If you look at this box right here, it simply is the length of this wave one, and wave ones typically are the same distance as wave fives, or wave fives are the same distance as wave ones. So I took that piece of wave one and I put it at the bottom of a wave four and I projected up. So it's right around near 3,310. We concluded up here, we tested the 3,000, 2,300 mark. Like I said in previous videos, my first target was 3,285. Hit that mark and pivoted down. After that, I moved it up to 3,300 to say that it's a psychological number and we want to go test and see what's going on there. And here we are a week later. We are at 3,300. And I gave that projection last week when the market was many points down. And I had 3,300 as a target, and we hit it almost to the tick. And now here's my current. Here's my current on a 120-minute chart. The next chart I like to share with you guys is a stair stepping pattern. Here we could see on a 120-minute chart that we are forming a three push pattern, a wedge. As you could see, we are in this channel, and channels, it's a weak bull trend. Weak in the sense that there's a lot of backing and filling and a lot of up and down. Arguably, the market's running out of steam, not looking very strong or impulsive, which is also a characteristic of a fifth wave rally, which I have been projecting we are currently on. And if you could see this box above here, what I did here is I put this high right here. How far did it travel above this high? And then I imagining if the market wants to be symmetry and pretty close to symmetry, if it did the exact same move above the second high, where would it land? And that is 2,306 area. This channel might blow out of here, make a blow off top, a climactic end to this, pushing people in for one final, maybe a head fake push, get the last latecomer bulls in here and then reverse. But this channel goes longer and further than a lot of people imagine. So I think the confirmation of this ending is not until we break up the bottom channel, the bottom trend area deep down, and break it for sure. Maybe get a couple closes underneath this lower channel. Until then, we are in this channel. And the final chart I like to share with everyone. This is what I had yesterday. We were down here yesterday, and this is what transpired next. A big move up like was expected. I put the termination pattern right here on this big C, and I was expecting up, which we got. Up to 2,300, which again, look at previous videos. That was a target a week ago, and many points underneath, and we did hit it. And here's my current count. I got a wedge forming, and as if you could read up here, well, I'll explain that in a second. I have a 1 up, I have a B, C correction down for a 2, a deep 2 pullback, and then the strongest leg of any of our 5 waves is the third wave. As you can see, it's impulsively way up, way strong. There's a 3. Hopefully people were able to get in early today in the morning session and hold on for this big move. Uh, here's a big three, and then in the middle day intraday, we got a big deep pullback, an A, a B, a C pullback down in the previous wave 2 for I'm calling a wave 4. Now on the final wave 5, which is a wedge, wave 4s are allowed to enter wave 2. I know I said in previous videos wave 4s typically, no, not typically, are not allowed to enter a wave 2 unless it is a wedge pattern. If it is a wedge pattern, it is expected to enter wave 2. So that's what I'm calling this this channel we saw in previous chart and this wave count as a wedge wave 5 going up, looking for 3,009, 3,000, 310 area. Not 100% sure we'll get there. Not 100% sure this is the correct count. I'm just going off what my eye sees, and I'll let the market prove me right or wrong, and then I'll make my adjustments there. So far, our count has been pretty good. I hope you've been following and recognizing this. All right, stay tuned.